Talking about Tanawan, Boss I, and Pasig coming into this ball game 3-0. Nobody able to figure out the Pasig Timothy so far, and they will open up the scoring festivities. The main guy, I would say, in that team.
Oh, especially itong Pasig team, since winning the title last season, they have been in flux and definitely a lot of their talent.
Players din. Kung sinabi mo si Norben Moctimar para dito sa
Yes.
Pasig, it's Dwayne Lirio.
Yes. Oh, pero nga lang, unfortunately, they don't have a score para sa Tanawan this season at 9.2 points per game.
Knocking down that three earlier was Alforque. Answering para sa Tanawan, Dwayne Lirio.
Full forwards para kay Coach Michael Sidianco, not here today in Montalban, Rizal.
Defensive rebound, makukuha dito ni Inchiga. Finishing off, pero yun yung naalala ko when you said run, run, run.
Oo. Pero ang tanong, aling arcade ba? Sige.
As Inchiga finishing on that layup. 6 minutes left dito sa ating first period. Inchiga looking to back down his defender. What a move para kay Celson.
B.
Looking to make an impact nga sa NCAA. Hinogen coming up with a swipe and finishing on the other end. Open court baka mo, Diego. JB Hinogen.
Exactly. See you later. Ang sa
Keen to work with.
Pero mahirap para dito kay Coach Michael Sidianco. Hindi nila nakukuha yung kanilang spots and also napigilan sila. Parang na-force nila to a half-court set.
Si Russell Bayani getting his first two.
Weakness na lang would be his outside shooting. Sabi nga ni Coach Jay, kasi kinausap ko rin siya kanina about this kid, si Russell Bayani. More sources of scoring, maybe from Dwayne Baguio, maybe from Koji Pastoral. Let's find out kung saan natin makukuha yung scoring for Tanawan today.
Kung ikaw naman talaga yung makakatapat nitong Pasig, that's extra incentive for you.
Tama.
Gusto mo talaga masukat.
Oo.
Nice, baseline play there as Dwayne Lirio scores on another basket. Off on that three-pointer from the corner. Bayani underneath. Couldn't get the bounce. Tabinas able to hit on the putback.
And so far for Pasig, they have 6 second chance points, including that last one.
Ano naman yung dukot na yun?
Wow.
Able to get it to trickle in. What a move from J. Mark Lloren.
Oh, Tribu Boss ay na team.
Of course, always present.
Yes, sir.
There's one player that has... takbo na naman tayo sa kabila. Hinogen nilipad. Wow. Move. Athletic is Jevy Hinogen.
Grabe, Jevy Hinogen. Yan na nga.
Para kay Norben Moctimar. A 3-on-2. Lilipad na naman to Hinogen.
Yan na nga.
Develop niya talaga yung laro na yan. As Hinogen na naman breaks away for another bucket. Ju Hinogen now has 8.
Yan na nga, Gears. For what they are and not because of their name recall.
Lefty finish. Makukuha dito ni RJ Colonia. Another fast break point here para sa Pasig. Steal and bucket, this time by Norben Moctimar.
Si Coach Jay Cruz. Another platoon substitution. As we take a look at that.
Kasabay naman niya sa kanyang second unit.
Pero that's a great stop coming from Tanawan Boss I, turning into that turnover points.
Late sa ating junior MPBL.
And one more time with that transition finish. Goes back-to-back baskets. You know, alarmed ito si Coach Jay Cruz, especially.
Ating first half, take another look. That Sean Diciembre breakaway.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy para dito sa Tanawan, and they're slowly getting the hang of things.
Timeout as always brought to us by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, and smile.
Gusto nila the best shot opportunity possible.
Another Diciembre steal and bucket. Ano naman yung microwave na to? Sean Diciembre, 6 na ginagawa.
Minute.
All the 6 here in the second as well.
Oo.
Bayani though will answer para sa Apase Timothy. Lloren. Now Bayani through the middle. Another bucket. 10 now para kay Russell. Take another look at that move by Russell Bayani. Ito yung kaninang baseline drive.
Yes, sir.
Action resumes dito sa ating 21 under D-League matchup between Tanawan and Pasig as we see Aguila able to convert.
Legit advantage ng Pasig, but they could at least chip away at this. As you could see, ito na nga yung activity nila on the defensive end, and that is that a
Bayani underneath. Gandang dukot na naman.
Yes. Russell Bayani cutting, stopping that bleeding and
Intano, ahead to Lloren.
wow.
Great fake. Pinalipad lang si Dwayne Baguio.
Show and go. Tapos that easy shot from underneath the basket.
Intano with a steal and the floater will fall.
Pero nga lang Pasig had the answer of their own and of course, led by one name alone, that is Russell Bayani.
Of course, that was Sean Diciembre, 2 of his 6 points in that second period.
Oh.
J. Mark Lloren.
With 10 points. So the first player from Tanawan to be in double figures. Oh, wow.
Okay, though.
Who gave up that foul earlier. Yun na nga, pound for pound fitness. Foul counted. And kitang-kita, Liga. Nasa Team B, Team A ng San Sebastian na si Juniel de la Rama.
Malit na bagay lang naman. Yung De La Rama.
Oh, that was a great drive though coming from Jeff Miao. Pero matindi ang depensa ni Nerben Moctimar.
Great drive lang naman eh. Ju Hinogin
Yun.
getting another bucket here. Hinogin now in double figures as well with 10.
Nagmumukhang layup line para sa Pasig on that last play. And also, para dito sa Tanawan, si Alan Aguila making it look easy.
Nakadagit na naman. 17 na para kay Alan Aguila. Bawi naman sa kabila. This is Tabinas. Ito sa Tanawan. Moctimar. Another ball fake. Goes behind the back. Bayani. Hindi naman mahuhulog. Moctimar says, I'll do it myself.
Nakita natin, there's still patience para dito sa Pasig to at least burn a little more clock in this ball game.
Lead up to 13 once more. Miao though cuts it to 11. Ahead to Diciembre. Look at that. In and out crossover. The contact and the bucket.
This pound for pound fitness, foul counted. Yun na nga, kita mo, against that heavy defense coming from James.
Excitement, di mo na mababawi.
Oh.
Even if mintis nga. Miao inside. Baguio.
Right, Jaime. Especially itong Pasig has been doing a good job, maintaining that lead. And
Ooh. Look at that move from Hinogin. Setting up Lloren. Penetrates. High off the glass. Won't work. Get his own miss.
yun.
Yun naman. Para kay Maralit. Moctimar. Another finger roll.
4-0 run para dito sa Pasig. Building this 13-point lead. Pero, again,
Sit to Hinogin. Holds up for 3. Shot is short. Bayani. Another opportunity. Malakas. But Hinogin out of nowhere getting the bucket and the foul.
and if you're Coach Jake, you saw Russell Bayani overshooting the mark. Pero right there, the cleanup job done by
Convert. We run to the other end. Diciembre will fly.
Oh.
And gets another Sean Diciembre. Sabi mo, November pa lang, Diego eh.
Oh, hindi. Well, last day na no November, no? Or bukas pa.
A steal para sa Tanawan. Ahead to Alan Aguila. Another bucket. Make that 19 now. Ring mahulog para kay Russell. All the way through for 2. That was Alexander Maralit.
Finally.
Nasa Colorado.
Oh.
Lloren challenging the defense. Won't work. Drops it off to Bayani for the easy bucket.
Yan na nga, itong Pasig really make this comeback happen.
Not helping their cause is being scorer para sa Pasig.
Parang na-maintain lang itong Pasig ang kanilang lead. Pero nga lang, Dwayne Pag.
Couldn't convert. Takbo tayo sa kabila. Diciembre leading the break. Takes it all the way for 2.
Wow, what a play there. Sean Diciembre. Oh,
Lloren getting fouled in that instance. Ito nga yung galaw ni Sean Diciembre.
oh.
Still a 10-point lead. Cruise through the lane, dropping it off to Bayani for the finish.
Na nga, sabi ko na nga.
25 to 63. 5:35 left to play. An escape para dito kay Short. Picked up by Diciembre. Nagmamadali. Lilipad na naman. Sean
Wow.
Diciembre once again.
Yeah, Diciembre again with another
Aguila. 3 black shirts surrounding him. John Adi with a steal. And completes it.
familiar sight for me.
4:09 remaining dito sa ating ball game. Miao dips it over
Wow.
to Mar. Back to Lloren. Alforque. Series of moves. Gets the ball back. Shot is short. Another try.
Walang kapaguran.
To 70. Let's see if Tanawan can go on one more big run. Miao. Through the lane. Uses the left for the bucket.
Absence of Koji Pastoral and Randolph Carganilla, a key piece para sa kanilang backcourt.
Block from Diciembre, but D finds himself free there para kay Sean Lirio. Lloren ahead of steam. And gets another bucket. J. Mark Lloren has played excellent here in this ball game.
Yeah, J. Mark Lloren already with 13 points, 4 rebounds, and 3 assists this afternoon.
Convert on the three-point play. Another basket para sa Tanawan. Will cut the lead down to 9, 87-78. At dyan na nga matatapos itong ating 21 under Junior MPBL D-League Season 2 matchup as Pasig continues their undefeated run 4-0